Ever wondered how websites communicate with each other like old friends sharing secrets? Well, it's all thanks to APIs, the unsung heroes of the web development world. Picture this: two websites, each with its own unique set of skills, but they want to collaborate. Enter APIs, the messengers that transfer data seamlessly between them. They enable websites to talk, share information, and work together harmoniously. APIs are like the magic conduits that make the internet a connected ecosystem. Imagine the endless possibilities when websites can interact and enhance each other's functionalities. From real-time data updates to integrated services, APIs unlock a world of potential for web developers. So, dive into the world of APIs and witness the power of connectivity in action. And hey, if you're hungry for more knowledge and eager to explore the realm of web development further, check out Intern Forge's internship program. It's time to level up your skills and embrace the magic of APIs.